Okay, in this video, I want to talk about the consequence of using someone's passport to verify your Alipay account. Yes, is it good to use somebody's passport to verify your Alipay account? I'll be telling you about the consequence of you doing that in this particular video. If this is your first time you chance on my channel, hit the subscribe button. My name is Thompson. What I do here is to teach about importation. I also coach people who are into importation but finding some difficulties. I coach you and explain certain things to you as to how to go about it. If you want to start it also, yes, you can rightly hit into my DM. My numbers are always displayed on the screen so that I can coach you, I can guide you as to how to go about it. Yes, so let us be straight to that. Is it good to use somebody's international passport to verify your Alipay account? It's a multi-million-dollar question. Yes, it is very wrong. Very wrong. You know, in Nigeria and Ghana, to be specific, almost all the importation coaches are always advising people, oh, if you don't have one, you can just get a friend who will do the verification for you. You can get a friend who will do the verification for you. Yes. So you get a friend that will do your Alipay verification for you with his or her passport so that you'll be able to pay your suppliers by yourself. And then the account will be working very well. But then, is it safe to do so? Is it safe? Yes, when you come to me, if I've ever taught you about importation or I am your coach, you know that I always advise my people that it is not good to do so. Even if you do so, try get your own passport so that in due time you will be able to do what? Change that kind of Alipay account and use your own Alipay to avoid problems that may arise in the near future, problems that you may not be able to solve. Okay, yes, 2 days ago, I had a call from one of my people indicating that he was doing a transaction and then Alipay asked him to do verification once again. Not a normal verification, but you know, sometimes when you are paying with Alipay, they ask you to do verification. That is, sometimes they send a notification to your SMS. They sometimes can tell you to do facial verification, and anything is to secure their system. So this guy said he was trying to do a transaction and then he was asked to do facial verification. You know, when he was using somebody's Alipay, somebody's passport, to do the verification, that person did the facial verification for him. When you're using somebody's passport to do your verification for you to be able to pay, somebody or the person whose passport you are using supposed to do the facial verification for him. So that person did the facial verification for this guy. Now the person is not even in the country. He is even unable to reach the person. And now Alipay is asking him to do the facial verification once again. This guy knows the passport number, the date of birth of this guy, but he's unable to do the live facial verification. It's not even about picture. If it's about picture, he can get the guy's picture somewhere and then upload it, but it is live. You know, when you're doing the verification, it's supposed to be live. So this is what happened. The guy was unable to do the facial verification and he's having 900 RMB in that account. So right now, the 900 RMB is sitting in the account there and the guy is unable to do the verification. So if you are my student or you are following this channel, I entreat you to desist from that. Even if you have to do so, make sure that you get your own international passport in no time to have your account secured. I've been trying my best to help him. I don't know if anybody has a way to help him anyway, but it is going to be very cumbersome because now that he has to do that verification for the transaction to go through, even transferring the money to a different Alipay account also requires a verification because it has been spotted out or that account has been figured out that this account doesn't belong to him, the one operating it. So to be at the safer side, I always advise my people to go in for pay for me service. Pay for me. Let somebody pay for you if you are not having your own international passport. If you come to me to pay for you, I charge 5% on your total payments that you are going to make. This 5% is nothing. Sometimes that is what I used to purchase the bundle. You know, when you want to pay for somebody, you will not use the normal phone. You're going to use a laptop. So I buy airtime, bundle it, and then used to pay for you. Sometimes it's 20 cedis, sometimes it's 30 cedis, sometimes it's 40 cedis, depending on the amount you are paying. But then because we want to dodge this kind of little coins, then we go about, we get a different person's passport and use it to verify. Yes, you verify it will go through. But then what if this thing happens to you? After loading your Alipay with funds, ready to pay your suppliers, and this thing happens to you, what will you be doing? What will you be doing? So Alipay has a lot of rules and regulations. Alipay has a lot that goes in there. It has a limitation, the amount that you're supposed to, you can use Alipay, the transaction limit that you can do per year. You need to know all these things before you begin to use it. Those of you that are rushing, come for coaching. Come for coaching. It's not by force, but come for coaching. If you are rushing into things, you will crash. These are some of the things I've been talking about. Like, come for coaching. Let us guide you. Let us tell you what to do. Let us assist you for the first 2-3 transactions. Then you can just continue the rest by yourself. I hope you have learned something from this channel. So go and hit the subscribe button. This is all I do here. I don't teach anything different here. Everything is about importation. Everything here is about importation. So hit the subscribe button, leave your comments. If you have a solution to that problem, also leave it in the comments. Let us see if that can help us as well. If you have gotten any information from this channel, leave your comment there, share the video, and hit the like button. If this information has taught you something new, hit the like button. My name is Sir Thompson. I teach mini importation. I teach how to import from Bangladesh. I also have a full course for Bangladesh importation, ranging from how to find suppliers, how to look for quality goods, how to know the sizes of goods, how to pay suppliers properly so that you don't get scammed, and also how to ship your goods from Bangladesh to Ghana, shipping agencies to use. I also have them here, everything in full. I have a Bangladesh course, full package. So if you're interested in that one also, you hit my DM so that we take it from there. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my subsequent video. Remember to subscribe as we go.